Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the highest volume pairs over on Dexscreener. So if you want to find the highest volume pairs of a chain, for example which coins are currently getting the highest volume over on a certain chain, and here's how you can do this. So first of all, you need to select a chain. Once you get to Dexscreener.com, you will most likely get to a screen basically like this. And then here over on your left, you can choose a chain you want to filter on. So for example, I'm going to use Solana. And once I've done that, I want to of course know which coin has the highest volume in a certain amount of time. So right here you can see, currently it's set to the last 24 hours, but let's say I want to see which coin has been doing really good in volume in the last hour. Then I can click on that right here. And then in order to actually sort it over on highest volume, literally all you need to do is click once right here. And then you can right now see that it's going with the highest volume first, and then it keeps on getting lower and lower, and it just shows the coins. So we can currently see that this coin is currently getting the highest volume in the last hour, and after that this one. But yeah, that's basically how you can filter over on the highest coin volume in the last hour. Or in the last 24 hours, that doesn't really matter. But yeah, if you learned something from this video, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.